I'm pretty sure everyone with a toilet in Svalbard now has a toilet decal about what can and can't be flushed. This type of campaign is really good because it is so replicable, and you could do it anywhere. We can't tell people what to do. We can't tell people how to govern. We can't change the laws, but we can provide the information that makes it easy for people to make decisions that are informed.
The goal is to be a one-stop shop for all marine restoration practitioners to find information, case studies, protocol development tools, a number of different resources, tools, and demonstrators.
I think this toolbox brings together a lot of resources that are accessible to practitioners and individuals across the spectrum of experience with marine restoration.
Because we cannot base all this restoration on EU funding, for example. So there needs to be public-private partnerships, private investments, value chains for industries and so on to stimulate larger scale restoration.